What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to transform this photo to become this one. As you can see on the left side will be the picture of a single man, and with a specific and special prompt we can change this man to have a girlfriend who is hugging him from behind. How to create this transformation? It is very easy. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I will use here is the Gemini AI, and here I am accessing it with my PC. And don't worry, because this Gemini also accessible within your smartphone. Maybe that is the Android or the iOS phone, and also the tab guys. And also don't forget to do the login first with your email to get the access doing the photo editing. And after that, this will be the home page, and you can activate the create image over here, which is that this Gemini has also embedded with the nano banana. And after that, I will start to select the reference picture. For example, this one, and also the girlfriend. For example, this one. And after that, I will put the prompt into this section. And don't worry, because I will also share this prompt into the description box. Basically, the prompt will be like this: a cozy cinematic lifestyle photo inside a warm modern cafe. And also a handsome young man is sitting on the table smiling at the camera, and also his girlfriend stands close beside him, leaning from the side and gently hugging him around one shoulder with both arms in an affectionate romantic pose. And also the girlfriend is beautiful young woman with long silky dark hair and symmetrical features, soft natural makeup, glowing smooth skin, and also she is wearing a cream knitted sweater. Basically, this is the detail of the based on the photo. You can create the detail about what he or she is wearing on, and also their head also close. This is one of the important prompt to add the gesture for the couple photo. Their head are close, suggesting a strong chemistry, and also soft warm bokeh light in the background through the café windows, and natural daylight, professional portrait photography, shallow depth of field, 50mm lens, high-end fashion, editorial style. This will be the prompt we will use over here, and after that you can start to click submit or generate, and kindly wait for the result guys. And usually for the generation process, it will take maybe 15 seconds until 30 seconds. And if the connection maybe or the prompt is quite complex, so this may take a while, maybe until 1 minute. So make sure that your connection is good so the generation process can run smoothly. And basically, this is the same prompt that I used before to make these two photos to become one as the couple photo, and this will be the result guys. And after that, you can continue to download it, and it will be ready to share to your favorite social media. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.